Are you facing a computer-related problem? Nothing is more frustrating than something not working when you need it most. Wherever your problem comes from, software, hardware crashes, network issues, or viruses, getting your PC repaired is essential. Don't try to repair your PC yourself if you're not an IT professional. Improper repair attempt can lead to more errors, irrevocable data loss, and future problems. Finding a certified professional is the best way to get your PC repaired. That's why we're here to help. Backed by years of IT training and experience, our specialist engineers are dedicated to making your computer repair swift, effective, and affordable. From PC, laptop, Mac to servers, or network, we take each project with care and responsibility to get the job done right the first time. Delay in PC repair can lead to more problems, so call us today for instant help.